How to be the light in a family that does not understand you. Welcome. This is your inner light guide. And in this video, I'm going to help you to be grounded, staying compassionate, staying yourself, keep shining your light in a family while all they want is to dim your light, while it is loss of disconnection. There is no heart-to-heart talk. There is disconnection from that soulful energy. So in this video, I'm going to help you with it because I have been there, I have done it, I know how it feels, and I know it don't feel good when your family is your nearest and dearest. I know you are feeling like an outsider in your dearest family. I know you are being misunderstood, and there is a name for it, is black sheep, being so special that they're always there to judge you. They're always there to put lots of hate on you. So let me help you with how you can align your light in this kind of family. Even when those closest to you don't understand your path, you are not alone in this. Learn how to set boundaries, protect your energy, and I'm gonna give you some example how you can regain your power. Take back all of the power and keep shining your light by being who you are. Have you ever felt like the black sheep in your family? It doesn't matter what you say or don't say. It's just that they don't get you. They don't understand you. If you are on a spiritual path or you are highly sensitive, that disconnect can feel especially deep. This video is for anyone who feels unseen, unheard, or misunderstood by their own family. The first thing I want you to remember is about your own light, because your light is valid. Even when it's not recognized, because it doesn't matter, nobody needs to recognize it. It is valid from the divine. The entire cosmos created it. It is validated. You are not here to convince anyone of who you are. When we constantly seek validation from those who cannot offer it, we are being to dim our own light. So instead, anchoring, return to yourself. You can try this affirmation. It is safe for me to be myself even when other does not understand me. And that self-trust is going to be your compass and guide you correctly along this journey. Let me tell you about this. One of the biggest drain that can ever happen along this journey is when you are trying so hard to show your words. Energetically, it can be so draining when you are trying to explain your own unique spiritual path that people are not ready to hear or understand. Let go of the need to be understood, because once you let go of this need and follow your own path, follow your own heart that is guiding you, you're gonna shine even more brighter. You don't have to convince anybody. You don't have to try to fit in. You don't have to show them your own worth when you can be you. Let go of the need to be understood. It means that you are protecting your peace. Try visualizing a soft golden light around you during family interaction. Let that light be your shield, loving but firm. Because when you visualize that golden light, it is surrounding you, your aura. And now you are about to interact with your family members. Now you can always remind yourself that with this golden light around your aura, it is protecting you. So now they cannot affect you anymore or drain you. You don't need to preach. You don't need to argue with them, because you will be out of energy when you're supposed to use this energy for your own growth, for your own soul expansion, elevation, because you are rising above everything. There are so many people, they're not ready to hear messages like this or understand, because their mind is already fixed. They are basically living in a cage with all of this misinformation, BS, the old belief system. And you didn't come here to break it, you came here to make it. You came here to make your own world, right? Grow, shine your light, let others to see your own light by being yourself. When you live your truth calmly and constantly, others may not say anything, but they will feel it. Sometimes silence is more powerful than debate. Remember, your peace is your own protest, and this is the greatest tool you can have among this kind of people that is trying to bring you down with their own BS, the belief system, and tell you, follow this route, this is the route. They don't even know what kind of route they themselves are working on, right? Maybe that is why you as a conscious being are questioning, wondering, right? So walk on your path without telling anybody else, like, hey, you should walk on this path. They will find their way in their time and space. You were never meant to walk this journey alone. Soul family does not always share your DNA, and it is the people who see your light, and if they are going to reflect it back to you, they are going to love you for who you are. They will guide you. They will be with you. This is your soul family that you are going to meet along this journey, that is vibrating on same level of frequency and in the same dimension, with the same consciousness. If you haven't found them yet, keep being you, keep glowing. They will find you, or you will find each other at the end of the day, no matter what. Because I love my alone time. I'm not lonely when I have my trees, birds, the river, the mountain, my cats, my animal friends. I love them all, the shooting stars, the sunset, books. You're all here. So you are not alone. And that is why eventually you will find them, they will find you in your reality as you start to walk on your journey. So if your family does not understand you, that doesn't mean that it's something wrong with you. They may make you feel like it is something wrong, but it is not. Sometimes it can be painful, but I want to tell you this. You are meant to light the way. You are meant to shine brighter than the sunlight on the sky. You are the rainbow. You are the shooting star. You are here to be who you are and shine your light without any kind of manipulation of people. You don't want to be in it, right? You don't want to believe in whatever. So it is not something wrong with you. You are just special. And sometimes that light shines brightest in the places that feel darkest. And you are not alone. In the darkest places, you are going to shine. And the more you evolve and grow along this journey, eventually you're going to look into this past and thank them all, because they're the ones are helping you in your own spiritual progress. So that is why, guys, keep shining your light. And do you be you. If you need some space, take it. And silence is the greatest way to go. And also learn how to protect your energy and be connected with nature by cleansing your energy, the sunlight. Go for healthier diet, eat clean, and start to love yourself. Write down your thoughts. Everything is going to pass soon, and you will thank these darkest moments of your life, because you are the light that I want you to realize. You are the light shining so bright in this darkness. So eventually it will pass and you will thank them all. And this is what happened to me. From the very first beginning, I had a very hard time with my family members. But right now, I love them all. I thank them all, because by time I got stronger. By time I got wiser and wiser. So guys, thank you all for listening. If you like this video, make sure to share, comment, subscribe, and stay blessed.